Hi, in this session, we'll learn how to edit the part program. Release emergency button, press machine reset, switch on edit key. Select mode selector to edit mode. Press the program button to open the program menu. Then press the folder soft key. Enter program number you want to edit. 1, 2, 3, 4. Press the program search soft key. The cursor will move to the required program number and press the input button. Now the part program opens and is ready for editing. T0000 cancel tool offsets. G40 cancel tool radius compensation. G28 axis reference. Select tool number 1 and offset number 1. G92 set maximum spindle speed limit. G96 constant surface speed CSS. Spindle on at 200 RPM. G00 rapid positioning. M7 coolant on. Start turning. G01 linear interpolation. Z-axis feed at 0.2 mm per revolution. Chamfer 2 mm at diameter 60 mm. Turning up to Z80 mm. Axis retract to safe position and coolant off. Spindle switch off. G97 cancel CSS. Cancel tool offsets. G28 axis reference. Program end and rewind. Once you finish editing, press the extend arrow and BG all end soft key. Now the editing is completed. The program starts at the home position X0, Z0. Rapid G00 to X50, Z2. Feed movement horizontally from X50, Z2 to X50, Z-75. Feed movement vertically from X50 to X60. A 2 mm chamfer is applied at that corner. Feed movement further along negative Z to X60, Z-80. Finally, the tool retracts, completing the cycle. This sequence demonstrates how a simple tool path can be optimized for both efficiency and quality.